Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Diva Ash here and I hope you are all doing well. If you are new to my channel, which you most probably are because I've only got like 100 or so subscribers, then be sure to hit the subscribe button before you. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing the review of the Juvias Place, the Nubian Palette. Now this is literally one of my favorite palettes ever. This is like my go-to on a day-to-day basis if I decide to wear makeup and I'm just going out to dinner with the girls or somewhere not so. Let me tell you a bit about this palette. It is very cheap. We like a cheap palette over here. It's $20 and I think I paid £20 for it, but I got it in the Beauty Bay sale when they have like 30% off, so I got it at a steal. Feeling it, obviously it's not heavy, doesn't feel like it's luxury, but I am telling you, the shadows make up for everything else. So open it up. It doesn't have a mirror, but it's got this gorgeous lady up here. Hi, feeling the makeup. But yeah, so these are the colors. As you can see, I have used this palette a lot, so it looks a bit messy. I apologize for that, but this is the truth. There are 12 shades in this palette. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers and 5 mattes, and honestly you can do a hell of a lot with this. I love the color story it has here. It's like your warm browns, and this is perfect for the autumn and the fall. And then you have the shimmers, which when I show you the swatches, they are pigmented, and that's no lie. They are stunning. One of the main things to note on this palette is there are no names for any of the colors, but to be honest, I don't really care about that. Sometimes I care about that depending on the palette, but because I love this palette so much, I don't care that they have no names. I will name them myself. We've got Nefertiti over here. We've got Horus over here. I'm joking. But yeah, I literally, and to be honest, I don't know whether it came with a film on top that had the names on them. I've had it for so long. If I was traveling and on holiday, this is perfect size for it, and I would take this on holiday with me, to be honest, because you can create so many different looks with it. You can create a daytime glam, you can create an evening glam, you can do shimmers, you can do whatever the hell you want with this, and I think it just complements my skin tone personally really well with this. So yeah, shall we get down to some swatches? So guys, for these swatches, I'm not going to put anything on my arm, no eye primer or anything like that. I just want to show you the colour range and just how stunning they are. So let's go in with this one here. A couple of swirls. Oh, hi. And then let's go in with this one. Oh, that was a really bad swatch. I think the light is kind of taken away the shine from these, but we shall make it work. Gorgeous. So this is one of the shimmers. So we've got all of these so far. That's the top row. I don't know if you guys can even see it properly, but they are gorgeous. My swatches, sorry guys, it's the first time I'm swatching, so excuse me if they're really bad. So we're gonna go in with this color right here, and I shall pop that right there. Oh, there you go, the swatches are getting better. So that's that color. Oh, do you know what? This is one of my favorite colors, this one coming up right now. Let's put that one there. Hello. And then let's do this one here. Oh, the shimmers. The shimmers are to die for in this. Well, don't literally die over it. It's not worth a palette, but let's get this one down here. And guys, I'm literally just doing one swipe. Look at that! And then I'm just going to clean my fingers and swatch the rest somewhere along here. So guys, I'm now going to go in with the last row, and these are the darker shades. So let's go in with this one here. Excuse me. Oh, it fight me. And then let's go in with this one. I don't know where to put, I've got no space. Let's put this one here. Ooh. Sorry guys, I will get better at swatching as I do more swatches, but let's put this one here. Oh, look at that. That's stunning just on the outer eye. And then last but not least, oh gosh, I wasn't even showing you the palette. Last but not least is this one, and let's put this down here. If you don't like this palette, then I don't know. But those are the shades. They are stunning. And what I love about them is the fact that they are so easily blendable, and the color story, look at it. Literally everything goes with everything. You can mix and match, do whatever the hell you want, and it's still gonna look good. So I'm gonna do a little eye look for you so you can get an idea of how they blend, how easily they blend, and let me go and clean this off. So I'm back, I am all cleaned up, and this is the palette we are gonna go in with today. I'm most probably just gonna do something really subtle, go in with maybe a couple of these colors, maybe that nice little gold there, and maybe deepen it up with one of the darker colors. But today I think I'm going for a not so glam crazy look, so we're gonna go with those neutralish colors. So yeah, with the shimmers, obviously I've played around with this palette before. The shimmers do kind of tend to drop, but that happens with most shimmers, so I'm not kind of mad about that. I'm just gonna put some translucent powder underneath my eye, and that should stop anything ruining my makeup. So let's get the eyes done. So guys, for my first shade, sorry about the craziness, I am gonna go in with this shade here. And I am going to just pop that in my crease. I'm just going to take that a bit higher up and into the inner corner. Oh, look at that blend. These colours are so pigmented, it goes a long way. So that's the first colour done. Now, Juvias Place has loads of amazing palettes. This is obviously my favorite one, which is why I decided to show you guys this one. I do have the other one, so if you guys are interested in the other ones, leave a comment down below and I can do a review and a demo for you. So yeah, that's the first color done. And I'm going to take this shade, this one here, and I'm just going to pop that into the crease, just to darken it up. I'm actually going to take that on my outer V of the eye, taking it in slightly. So that's the second shade done, guys. And now what I would like to do is pop this color all over the inside of this lid space that we've got going on there. So I'm going to pack that colour on using a shader brush. Now obviously if you want the intensity to be a bit more, then you can go in and wet your brush using Fix Spray or any kind of setting spray. Oh. Sorry, that colour is just stunning. I actually haven't had any fallout yet, so I just dried my under eyes for no reason. So sticking with what I've kind of done so far, I am going to pop this shade here into the outer V of my eye. So now guys, I am going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to take that on my brow bone and the inner corner. And there we have basically the finished eye look. And if I wasn't doing this as a tutorial right now or as a demo, it would literally take me 5 minutes to do this eye, and it just looks amazing and stunning, and in real life it just looks even better than with all these lights on my face. But love it, absolutely love it. So for the lower lash line, I'm just literally going to take this color around this area here at the front, and then I'm going to smoke out the edges with that one there. So guys, that is everything I want to do to the eye. Now you could just leave it like this, pop on some lashes, pop on some eyeliner, and you're done. I think for this look, I'm going to add in a slight winged liner and some black liner inside my eye, and then that's my look complete. That's the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I love this palette. I just think you can do so much with it, and again, the colours ooh. For like a 5-minute blend and you get this result, love it. I'm in, count me in, take my £20. I want more. So yeah, guys, do you know what? In general, I love Juvia's, I think they're called Place. They don't have Juvia's Place written on this palette, but I absolutely love their products, especially their eyeshadows. It's amazing. And again, this is one of my favorite palettes. If you would like me to create some more looks with this palette, obviously just let me know in the comments down below. If you did like this look that I created, then obviously leave a big thumbs up. So guys, in conclusion, I absolutely love this palette. It's £20. It's worth the price you pay for it. The colors are stunning and the blendability of these shadows are amazing. The shimmers are very, very nice. You can actually have them subtle like I have had today, or you can make it pack a punch and pack it on, or you can also add some setting spray onto your brush, dip it in, and you'll get an amazing shimmer with it. But yeah, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's stunning. This eye literally took 5 minutes to do, so 10 minutes total to do a stunning eye look. So guys, if you want me to do some more looks with this palette, then obviously let me know. And if you did like the video, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, it's Divas UK. I usually have pictorials on there for you guys to follow, and obviously I keep you up to date with my YouTube. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh.